When you look up at the night sky, you're seeing stars. But hidden around those stars are countless worlds, planets of every shape and size. Some fiery and stormy, others frozen and silent. But the question remains, how many planets are there in our universe? The answer might surprise you. Our story begins at home. In our solar system, there are 8 planets officially recognized by scientists. Mercury, scorched by the sun; Venus, a toxic twin of Earth; Earth, our living world; Mars, the red frontier; Jupiter the giant; Saturn, crowned with rings; Uranus, tilted and icy; Neptune, cold and stormy. Pluto was once considered the 9th planet, but in 2006 it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. But the mystery doesn't end there. Some astronomers believe there may be a hidden Planet 9, 10 times the size of Earth, orbiting far beyond Neptune. But our solar system is just a tiny part of the story. Thanks to telescopes like Kepler and James Webb, astronomers have discovered over 5,000 exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars. Some are giants larger than Jupiter, others are rocky and Earth-like, and a few orbit in the habitable zone, where liquid water, and maybe life, could exist. The universe is full of strange and exotic worlds. Hot Jupiters, gas giants orbiting dangerously close to their stars; super-Earths, rocky planets larger than ours; rogue planets drifting alone with no star at all. Imagine planets with diamond rain, oceans of lava, or glassy storms. In the Milky Way alone, there may be hundreds of billions of planets. Multiply that by the 2 trillion galaxies in the universe, and the number of planets becomes almost impossible to imagine. There may be more planets in the universe than grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches combined. This isn't just a numbers game. Each new planet discovered brings us closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone? If even a small fraction of these planets are like Earth, with oceans, atmospheres, and stable climates, life may not be unique. Somewhere out there, another civilization may be looking at their night sky, wondering the same thing. We live on one world among countless others. But what makes Earth so special? Is there anything unique about our planet, or are there countless others like it? To answer this question, scientists study planets both near and far. By understanding the properties of planets in our solar system and those around other stars, they can piece together the story of our cosmic neighborhood. One fascinating aspect of planets is their composition. Some, like Mercury, are mostly rock and metal. Others, like Jupiter, are primarily gas. Some have solid surfaces, while others may be completely liquid. The diversity of planetary compositions reflects the wide range of conditions that exist in space and the incredible forces that shape these celestial bodies. Another intriguing aspect of planets is their atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is a delicate balance of gases that allow life to thrive. Other planets have atmospheres that are vastly different from ours, ranging from the toxic clouds of Venus to the thin, cold atmosphere of Mars. Studying these atmospheres helps scientists understand the evolution of planets and whether they could support life. The distance between planets and their stars is another key factor in determining their habitability. Some planets orbit very close to their stars, resulting in scorching temperatures. Others are so far away that they are frozen wastelands. Earth is in the habitable zone of our solar system, where conditions are just right for life to flourish. Scientists search for planets in the habitable zone of other stars, because it's likely that conditions there would be suitable for life. The search for planets has led to some truly mind-blowing discoveries. For example, the discovery of exoplanets that orbit stars similar to our Sun has given scientists hope that Earth-like planets are common in the galaxy. The confirmation of liquid water on Mars has raised the possibility that our solar system could have supported life in the past or present. And the detection of an atmosphere on a planet outside our solar system suggests that it could have a magnetic field and a chance at supporting life. These discoveries have deepened our understanding of the universe and our place in it. They've shown that Earth-like planets are likely common in the galaxy, and that there could be other worlds where life as we know it could exist. The search for planets has also pushed the boundaries of technology and scientific achievement. The development of powerful telescopes and other instruments has allowed us to explore the universe in unprecedented detail. And the discoveries that have resulted from this exploration have transformed our understanding of the cosmos. As we continue to explore the universe, we can be sure that we will find more planets and perhaps even signs of life. The discovery of planets is one of the most exciting areas of astronomy today. With the launch of new telescopes and missions, we are on the verge of discovering new worlds and potentially finding signs of life. Here are some of the most promising places to find planets and what to look for when searching for extraterrestrial life. The most obvious place to start the search for planets is in our own solar system. With the exception of Pluto, all of the major bodies in our solar system have been explored by spacecraft. We have a relatively good understanding of the properties and characteristics of these bodies, including their atmospheres, surfaces, and compositions. However, despite all of our exploration, we may still have much to learn. For example, scientists believe that there could be a ninth planet in our solar system, known as Planet 9. Planet 9 is thought to be several times larger than Earth and to orbit the Sun at a distance of thousands of astronomical units. The discovery of Planet 9 could have profound implications for our understanding of the formation and evolution of our solar system. The next step in the search for planets is to look beyond our solar system. There are billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and many of them are likely to have planets. However, the distances involved make it extremely challenging to study these planets directly. Instead, astronomers use the transit method to detect the presence of planets around other stars. This involves looking for the slight dimming of starlight as a planet passes in front of it. Using this method, astronomers have already discovered thousands of exoplanets. Some of these planets are similar in size to Earth, while others are much larger. We've also found planets that orbit in the habitable zone of their stars, meaning that they could have liquid water on the surface. While none of these planets have been confirmed to have life, the discovery of any form of life, even microbial, would be a major breakthrough. Another promising area for the search for planets is in binary or multiple star systems. These systems consist of two or more stars that orbit each other, and they are common in the universe. In recent years, astronomers have discovered several planets that orbit more than one star. These planets face a unique set of challenges, including frequent gravitational perturbations from the two stars, which could make their orbits unstable. Despite these challenges, planets in multiple star systems are of great interest to astronomers because they could provide clues about the formation and evolution of planetary systems. One of the most exciting developments in the search for planets is the increasing power of telescopes and other instruments. New telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, are capable of detecting planets at much greater distances than ever before. These telescopes are also able to study the atmospheres of planets in more detail, which could provide valuable insights into their habitability. Additionally, new missions such as the European Space Agency's JUICE and Hera spacecraft are designed to study planets in our own solar system in greater detail. These missions will provide valuable data that will help us better understand the planets in our cosmic neighborhood. Overall, the search for planets is a dynamic and evolving field that holds tremendous potential for discovery. With new telescopes and missions on the horizon, we are on the verge of learning more about the planets in our solar system and beyond. Who knows what we might find? But one thing is certain: the search for planets will continue to captivate and inspire us for generations to come. The universe is vast and mysterious, full of wonders that we are only beginning to explore. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, there is so much that we don't know about the world around us. But we are constantly pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, exploring the unknown, and unraveling the secrets of the cosmos. At the heart of this exploration is the search for planets, both in our own solar system and beyond. With the discovery of each new planet, we bring ourselves one step closer to understanding the origins of life and the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. The journey to discover the number of planets in the universe is a testament to the human spirit of exploration and discovery. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, we can be sure that we will uncover many more wonders of the cosmos. Who knows what we might find? But one thing is certain. The search for planets will continue to captivate and inspire us for generations to come. So keep looking up at the stars and dreaming of the possibilities that await us. Who knows? You might just be the next great explorer of the universe.